Okay, and then you continue just like the way I've showed you. This is how we trade. With this trade, with this kind of trading, top-down analysis in this way, I'm telling you, you are going to have a lot of winners. You're going to have a lot of winners. You don't regret trading like this way. This is what has made me to be profitable. I've tried everything I can, but when I came to this one, it's win, 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 win. Do you know where you make a mistake on? You can make a mistake maybe where the pullback is. You make a mistake, you lose. You wait for it to go. You realize, oh, I made a mistake. You come back to where it's supposed to be, where the pullback is supposed to start from. And when you enter this time, you know you are rolling, you are going. With this kind of trading, you can flip an account. Within a month, let's say it's a $100 account, and then you risk, let's say you just risk $5. It's a $100 account. You risk $5. And you know realistically where 1 month is going to go to. When you know where 1 month is going to go to, after a month, just waiting for this trade, at the end of the month, you have made another $100. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Enoch the Trader. Today I've come again to show you a wonderful and beautiful strategy. I am starting to unveil the strategy that I use in my system whenever I am trading. So I'm going to be generous, but I'm not going to show you everything in one day. Now, what is the name of my strategy, or what type of a strategy do I use? I use what is known as top-down analysis. Why top-down analysis? Top-down analysis is a realistic way of looking at the overall trend. If you do not know where the overall trend is heading to, you might be trading against the trend and never find yourself fighting against the trend. Always be compliant with the direction of the trend. Always follow where the major trend is heading to. And the only strategy that will help you follow where the trend is heading to is called top-down analysis. And I'm going to give you the more realistic top-down analysis. Okay? So now, what is this top-down analysis? It's about following the higher time frame. There is a rule, there is a law, there is a principle. The principle is the higher time frame drives the lower time frames. For example, if the direction with the monthly is bullish, then it means that the weekly direction should also be bullish for you to trade, and the daily direction should also be bullish. The weekly direction should also be bullish. The monthly bullish, weekly bullish, daily bullish, 4-hourly bullish, a monthly bullish. Let everything be bullish if 1 month is what? Is bullish. Now, in this way, you are able to catch big moves, very, 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 very big moves. Now, if you don't look at the monthly, and if you do not know the direction of the monthly, you find yourself trading opposite of where the monthly is going to. And I believe that's not realistic in terms of trading, because monthly will put everybody. Higher time frame decides or dominates the lower time frame. Okay, so now I use the monthly for direction. That's what I do. I use my monthly for direction, and then I use my daily for levels, and I use 1 hour for entry, and the other one I use for entry is 5 minutes. So then with this strategy, we are able to cater for every type of trader. For those who want to enter in a daily, they are still able to use this strategy. Those that want to enter the trade in hourly, they are able to use this strategy. Those that want to enter with the 5 minutes time frame, they are also able to use the strategy. So the strategy is all weather is all weather friend. The strategy is all weather friend. So that's the kind of strategy I'm trying to give to you. It's all weather friend. Those who want to enter in daily, those who want to enter in hourly, those who want to enter in 5 minutes. The same strategy can also be used by those who have a 1 month bias, and they can also have levels in weekly and enter also in 4 hours or 15 minutes. But I prefer, in my case, I prefer to have my 1 month direction as direction, and then my daily as levels, 1 hour entry or 5 minutes. So we can enter with one month entry. We can enter with daily. We can enter with daily signal. Okay, there are those people who don't have a lot of time. They can enter with daily. They will also have those people who can decide to be entering with hourly, and also those that can go down as low as 5 minutes as scalpers. Same thing, nothing strange, simple thing. So I want us to go now to the charts and see what I'm talking about. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we are here now. Now we are here. So I want to demonstrate this. Okay, price is moving like this, but let me go back a bit. Okay, price, I want to go to monthly because I want to know my direction. Okay, price has come here once, it has failed to go up. Here it has failed. It has gone here, it has created a level. Price has been failing multiple times to break this level. And then let's see, we break and close above this. Okay, the moment you break and close on the level that you are failing to break, what you do is, now you have got a bias. The bias is what? The bias is now known, it is bullish. So what I do, the next thing I do, I go to what? I go to my daily. Now this is 1 month. It has broken. Remember when it came like this, it went, hit here, it came back. The 1 month candle was not closed, so we are waiting for it to close. Now here it has closed. Since it has closed here, we want to allow now the daily candles to come where 1 month failed, where 1 month broke from, because 1 month broke out from here. This level is the level that 1 month broke out from, closing above. So we have to wait for another pullback to come here. So let's go now in daily now. Okay, have you seen what's happening? It went above, and then we came here. Have you seen now? We have come here. So what is it forming now? It has formed a double bottom in an uptrend, because the 1 month closed here. The 1 month closed here. Now since the 1 month closed here, we wanted the daily also to come and test where 1 month broke out from. 1 month broke out. We are not following this. We want direction. This is not direction, it's daily. 1 month broke out, closed above here, and then daily has come back to where 1 month broke out from. And the principle is, the higher time frame should drive the lower time frame. So now we have come here, and a daily is failing to break the 1 month structure, because 1 month structure is bullish, closed above. In 1 day we have come to it, and 1 day is now failing. So now what should be expected here? How does price move? Price moves in impulse pullback. So what are we expecting? We are expecting another impulse. Now the moment you have got a monthly here, this is a guarantee. The moment you have a monthly close here and 1 day pulling back, forming a double bottom here, there is a guarantee that you are going to go above. Now, this is a secret. 1 month will always pull the daily. Okay? So now what should we expect here? Impulse pullback. Now this is double bottom, isn't it? We expect another impulse to go up. Remember, this is the end of a pullback. This is a pullback. It's an end of a pullback here in a daily. Now, being the end of the pullback here, we're expecting an impulse. An impulse should break this. So now let's see if the impulse is breaking this. Okay, it's going. Remember, we entered. Okay, don't be fooled by that. I told you it should break this. As long as the 1 month was here and the 1 day has come back here, it doesn't matter what it tries to do. The higher time frame should always pull the lower time frame. And have you seen? Now we have gone up. We have gone up. So what do we begin to form here? We are beginning to form impulse pullback, impulse pullback, impulse pullback. Of what? Of daily. To show that 1 month is now moving. Watch now what happens. Have you seen? Impulse, and then try to come back. It's going. Let's see what is going to happen. Good. Now let's go like this. This is where 1 month closed. 1 month closed here. 1 month closed here, and then a pullback came here, and then an impulse went here. It tried to, as if it's not going up, it came back, but in the back of my mind I know that 1 month is moving up. It has broken and it has formed another impulse pullback. So we are watching the 1 month in a daily. Let's continue to see what's going to happen. Okay, have you seen another what? Another impulse. This pullback here has broken here, this top here, to show you that 1 month is what? Is going. But how did I come up with all these things? By simply knowing the direction of the 1 month. So right now what you are seeing is the new 1 month forming. This is a new 1 month. It has to move because where 1 month closed here, it pulled back in 1 day. We are following the new 1 month. How does the 1 month move? It moves in impulse pullback of what? Of a daily time frame. So we are watching the new 1 month. So this new 1 month is continuously moving in this direction. Okay, so until it goes and then it starts coming out, pull back again, because this is the first impulse of 1 month. Okay, have you seen now? So we can continuously go like this, go up like this. Okay, we can continue going up like this. So the 1 month closed here. I went to daily. We came here. When we came here, this daily candle where 1 month broke out from, it failed to go to fight the 1 month where it broke out from. It continued going up. Okay, let's see there. It started going up. It tried to come up, down, and it continues to go up. And then what happened again? A pullback again came here, and we started going up until we rolled up to. We continued going like this. So now what are we having? We are having a series of impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse, small pullback, and we continue. This is how we follow the 1 month using the daily. Okay, so let me bring it back so that you can see it again. I'll repeat the process. I'll repeat the process. Remember, this is monthly. Monthly has closed above. I go to daily. Okay, I go to daily. I'm waiting for daily to come back where 1 month broke out from. Let's try it again so that you understand it fully. We are waiting for it to come to where 1 month broke out from. Where did 1 month broke out from? It broke out from here. It closed here. We are waiting for the daily to come here, because now we are anticipating the new month to continue. to continue. And then what is the signal? The signal is this one. The signal is this one. And how is the new month now going to start moving? It's going to move in impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, following which time frame? Following the lower time frame. One day we'll start moving impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, until we finish the uptrend of impulse, pullback, higher, 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 lower, higher, high, higher, low. When the higher, 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 low fails, we start coming back. Then now we are having another pullback. Remember, we are still in an uptrend. Okay, so let's do it again. Here, let's see. Okay, let's see. It tries to come back. What happens? What happens? What happens? It fails again. It continues. This is a new month, by the way. And then we continue moving with this new month. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. A pullback again comes in 4 hourly. Okay, sorry, in daily, pullback daily comes. Again, we have a signal here to enter, to continue. This one, look at what is happening. This is how a 1 month moves. In what? In a day, in a daily. This is realistic trading. This, I tell you, my friends, is realistic trading. I know this is just the first impulse. Okay? Now we are waiting for the real pullback. Okay? You wait again for the... This is when the 1 month has given us direction and we are going. You can still, when this happens, when it ends there, it can still come back as a pullback, Okay? But this is the first impulse. This is how I trade. Simple. Can you imagine, with this kind of trading, you can flip an account. You can flip an account with this kind of trading because you know where the 1 month is going, but you are following the 1 month using the daily time frame with impulse pullback. You're just following the 1 month impulse pullback in the daily. Like that, the 1 month moves very much. The 1 month moves very much. So in this way, it becomes very easy for you to flip an account. Have you seen how the daily has fought against the monthly? Where monthly broke out from here, monthly closed there, came here. How daily went up there, as if it's ending, it still come down, and it still went up. This is a new month. So as you are following the new month is continuously going. So can you imagine you placed a trade here, and then it went up to here, and it's still moving, by the way. It's still moving. Let's try. It's still moving. Let's see it. It's still moving. It's still moving. It's still moving. Have you seen? Coming where again? Back to where everything started from. Have you seen? I hope you are seeing this. This here was the first close of 1 month. This is the first impulse. At the close of the 1 month, this is the first impulse. You are able to trade with this first impulse and continue. The next thing, you wait now for a pullback of daily again. This one now is bigger because we know from here we are going to break here. Because this one, we assume, let's see if it's a monthly. If it's a new monthly here, for example, if it's a new monthly. Okay, a monthly has closed here. Again, a monthly has closed here. You know here the monthly target is? It's here. And you go again back. Sorry. Made mistakes there. You go again to daily. Have you seen here? Daily. With your daily, you find again reasons for entry. And what are the reasons for entry? You look at your patterns. What's happening here? You look at here. Look at this one. Here. When you look at here, we have inverted head and shoulders, isn't it? Inverted head and shoulders here. And let's try it. Okay? Because 1 month closed here, isn't it? I think that's what it was. 1 month closed here. So since 1 month closed here, I go to daily, and then I want to see where 1 month broke out from, and then the daily to come back to it. And daily has come back to it. And in this way, I'm very sure where we are heading. We are heading here. And not only here, breaking also here to go up. Let's see. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Have you seen that we have hit there? Every time you have a 1 month bias and then you go down to the daily, you always hit where the top of the 1 month is. This is realistic. Can I go back again? Can I go back? I show you again this strategy. Simple how it's working. It's working like fire, my dear friends. It's working like fire, my dear friends. The strategy works like fire, my friends. It's working like fire. Have you seen? 1 month closed here, 1 month closed here, and then we went to the pullback where 1 month broke out from. It was here, and then one day is failing here. Then we continue. How does 1 month move? It moves in daily impulse pullback, impulse pullback. So where 1 month broke out from, daily has come back to in a pullback, and then it has gone another pullback. So we continue moving with this. When we reached here at the peak, because this was the first month direction, we're going like that. Now we're waiting for daily pullback. We waited for daily pullback to come back to where it broke from, and where it is here again. When we reached here again, we are waiting for reversal pattern. Waiting for reversal pattern. What was the reversal pattern? Inverted head and shoulders. And here we are. And then we had a monthly close here. We had a monthly close here, above here. And then we went to daily again. When we went to daily again, we know 1 month had already reached there. Now we are in daily again. And then we continue rolling. We know, we are very sure where monthly is going to. And this is how people now flip accounts. Can you imagine? You had 3% risk and you are heading there. How many pips would you have made? Now the only thing is you need to be patient. You wait for monthly to close. I think we have reached there. So this is how powerful the monthly is. Today I've just shown you how to enter the market using daily. From here, first we went up following the direction of monthly. Okay, this minute. Okay, this is how we enter the market, and this is how we win in the market. I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things today. Now next time I'm not going to show you how we enter the daily. I'm going to show you how to enter with the hourly. This is the daily, but next time I'll show you how to enter with the hourly. Another time I'm going to show you how to enter with 5 minutes, but in the same direction of 1 month. This is very realistic way of trending. You know, price moves in waves. Or you should know, I repeat, know your direction and time frame, which is 1 month. When you know direction or time frame of 1 month, you scale down to daily. When you scale down to daily, allow a pullback to happen to come back exactly or almost exactly where 1 month broke out from, and you're going to see a reaction. A daily will fail to break where 1 month break out from, will fail to break that structure of one month. When that fails, you enter a trade in daily. Okay, now that's the first impulse. So now, since it's a new month, remember you are now trading with a new month. How does a month move in a daily? It moves impulse pullback, impulse pullback. You continue following it until you have got multiple higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, multiple of them, and then they begin failing. Then you are waiting now for the bigger pullback. And when the bigger pullback also happens, make sure it reaches where the 1 month broke out from. When that happens, my dear friends, you'll see reversal patterns in daily. Okay, and then you continue just like the way I've showed you. This is how we trade. With this trade, with this kind of trading, top-down analysis in this way, I'm telling you, you are going to have a lot of winners. you're going to have a lot of winners. You don't regret trading like this way. This is what has made me to be profitable. I've tried everything I can, but when I came to this one, it's win, 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 win. Do you know where you make a mistake on? You can make a mistake maybe where the pullback is. You make a mistake, you lose. You wait for it to go. You realize, oh, I made a mistake. You come back to where it's supposed to be, where the pullback is supposed to start from. And when you enter this time, you know you are rolling, you are going. With this kind of trading, you can flip an account. Within a month, let's say it's a $100 account, and then you risk, let's say you just risk $5. It's a $100 account. You risk $5. And you know realistically where 1 month is going to go to. When you know where 1 month is going to go to, after a month, just waiting for this trade, at the end of the month, you have made another $100. This is how they flip. Realistic way of flipping, not risking the whole $100. No, just a small percentage. I'm telling you, you'll have flipped an account and you have protected yourself. This is a realistic way of trading. I hope you are going to use this strategy in a daily. Okay, this one I'm giving you a strategy in daily. Now next time we are going to work with the hourly entry. After that, we are also going to use the same trade with the 5 minutes, meaning that with daily, it's more than swing. It's more than swing. With the daily, it's more than swing. You can use it in 1 hour, which is a swing trader. You can still go back to, you can still use it in 5 minutes. That is a scalper. All kinds of traders are incorporated in this strategy. So what is so difficult? Watch this over and over again. But next time I will repeat it, but it will be now in 1 hour, and see if it still works in 1 hour. After that, I'll come down to 5 minutes to see if it works in 5 minutes. Thank you very much. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Share, turn on notification, and comment. And by the way, I want to welcome viciously my Ghanaian viewers and subscribers, my Nigerian viewers and subscribers, Kenyan viewers and subscribers, South African viewers and subscribers, of course my Zambian subscribers and viewers. Now do me a favor, share this video, share this YouTube channel with some of your friends who do not stay in your location, who do not, if you are in Ghana, who do not stay in Ghana, if you are in Nigeria, who do not stay in Nigeria, if you are in Kenya, those who don't stay in Kenya, if you are in South Africa, those who don't stay in South Africa, if you are in Zambia, those who don't stay in Zambia. I'm expecting Australians to come on board. I'm expecting Great Britain, UK to come on board. I'm expecting United States of America to come on board. I'm expecting South American countries to come on board. Share with somebody and say, watch this channel, Enoch the Trader, and see if this guy is authentic. Remember, in the next 5 months or so, I'll begin to project price where it is going to go to next. I want to see if what I am teaching is true or it is false. I'll be projecting price. I'll tell you 1 month has closed like this, and where we are planning, where the price is heading is this. All we are waiting for is a pullback in this area, and then we have to go this direction. And when the major pullback again happens, I'll tell you we are here and where we are heading is this. This is why you can actually project 2,000 pips direction, 1,000 pips, 500 pips, things like that. Is more realistic. Thank you very much for watching. This can also be used for flipping accounts. If you have a small account and you want to flip your account in 1 month or 1 month and a half of just 4 weeks, you can flip an account. I will show you all these things. Remember, I've just given this just an advertisement of my strategy, top-down analysis strategy, and how I break it down in different time frames. But as months are coming, unfolding, I'll give you more details of how I work with this strategy and how that the winning rate is so high with this strategy. The winning rate, my brothers and sisters, is so high. Share with somebody, like this, subscribe, support this channel. You don't know how much help I'll bring your way. I'm telling you, I'm bringing you help. I'm bringing you realistic way of trading. Thank you very much. This has been Enoch the Trader. See you in the next video. God bless you.